Hello everyone, and welcome back to the show. I'm your host, ichino-ani, and I'm so happy you could join me. Today is a lovely Monday, September 1st, and that means it's time to check out another super interesting trending article from the ArXiv. Let's dive into the world of learn or machine learning. The paper we're looking at today is titled OnGoal, Tracking and Visualizing Conversational Goals in Multi-Turn Dialogue with Large Language Models. Phew, that's a mouthful, and you should see the pro from ArXiv.org. It's ABS/2508.21061 run, so on. So what is this paper all about? Well everyone, have you ever been talking to a chatbot? Like that, for a really long time, you ask it to do one thing, then another, and another. After a while, it gets a little messy, right? And that bot might forget something you asked for 10 messages ago. And sometimes even we forget what we asked for. It's like trying to build a big Lego castle. You can only read the instructions one line at a time, and you can't easily look back. It can be super frustrating, and you might just give up and start a whole new chat. That's the exact problem this paper is trying to solve. It's hard for us to keep track of our goals, and it's hard for the AI to remember them all, especially in a long back and forth conversation. To fix this, the researchers created a really cool system called OnGoal. Think of it like a special chat window with superpowers. It's designed to help us, and the AI, keep track of all our goals during a long conversation. It has a smart little helper that reads what you type, and automatically figures out your goals, like want a happy story, or make this paragraph sound more professional. Then, it shows these goals right on the screen with little symbols and colors. Green means the AI did a great job and followed your instructions. Red means it did the opposite of what you wanted. And yellow means hey, the AI forgot about this one. It's like a report card for every single message the AI sends. This system, OnGoal, even has a special side panel that shows the history of all your goals. You can see how they've changed over time, or which ones the AI keeps forgetting. Plus, it even highlights the exact sentences in the answer that are related to your goals, so you can see the proof. Or how could we use this in real life? Well, I have some fun examples for you. First, let's imagine you're planning a family vacation with an AI travel agent. You tell it, okay, I need a hotel that's good for kids, has a pool, and is near the beach. My family is vegetarian, so please find restaurants nearby with veggie options. A regular wetbite might find a great hotel. I totally forget about the vegetarian restaurants. But with OnGoal, we'll see a little yellow by the yard next to your veggie options. Goal, you'd know right away to say, hey, what about the restaurants? Instead of getting stuck later. Here's another one. Let's say you're using an AI to help write a school report. The teacher gave you a list of rules. It has to be forming. Include 3 facts about dolphins, and make it engaging for your classmates. Making something both formal and engaging can be tricky. Right. AI might make it super formal but really boring. OnGoal would show them a formal goal is green, but the engaging goal is yellow or maybe even red. It would even highlight the super boring sentences. So you could tell the AI, can you make this part more exciting? And for our third example, what about learning something new? Imagine you're learning to code with an AI tutor. You ask it, can you explain this tricky topic? But please, don't use any super complicated words. The AI might give you a correct explanation. But it's full of confusing jargon. OnGoal would immediately flag the no complicated words goal is contradicted, and bright red. It would even highlight the confusing words for you. This would help you learn so much faster, because you can pinpoint exactly what you don't understand. Now you might be thinking, how is this different from the chatbots we use today? Well, we're normal. Chatbot is just a long, scrolling conversation. You have to do all the hard work of remembering everything. It puts a lot of what we call cognitive load on your brain. OnGoal, on the other hand, is like having a helpful assistant with a whiteboard right next to you. It writes down all your goals, checks them off, and points out when something is wrong. It turns a simple chat into an interactive dashboard, making the whole process much easier and, honestly, more fun. Other tools exist to help with writing prompts, but they usually focus on getting one single perfect response. OnGoal is special because it focuses on the whole conversation, the entire back and forth dialogue over many turns. So to wrap it all up, this paper shows us a wonderful way to make our conversations with AI much better by tracking and visualizing our goals. OnGoal helps us avoid misunderstandings and stay on the same page as our AI helper. It's a fantastic step towards making AI tools that are not just powerful, but also really easy and enjoyable for everyone to use. Okay, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. I'm ichino-ani. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.